How much does it cost to replace a water heater? Today we're going to talk about something that's essential for any homeowner. Water heaters. Specifically, we're going to discuss the labor cost to install a new water heater. According to Home Advisor, the average cost of installing a new water heater is around $1,000 to $3,000. However, this cost can vary depending on several factors, including the type and size of the water heater, as well as the complexity of the installation. For example, if you're installing a tank-style water heater, the labor cost will typically range from $600 to $1,200. This includes the cost of labor for the plumber to connect the water supply lines, drainage lines, and any necessary gas lines. On the other hand, if you're installing a tankless water heater, the labor cost can range from $800 to $1,600. This is because tankless water heaters are typically more complex to install, as they require more piping and electrical work. It's also worth noting that the cost of labor can vary depending on where you live. For example, plumbers in urban areas may charge more than those in rural areas due to higher demand and competition. In addition to the labor cost, there are other factors to consider when installing a new water heater. These include the cost of the water heater itself, as well as any necessary parts or accessories, such as a thermostat or flow restrictor. Overall, while the labor cost to install a new water heater can be significant, it's important to consider the long-term benefits of having a reliable and efficient water heating system in your home. Not only will it save you money on your energy bills, but it will also provide peace of mind knowing that you have a safe and reliable source of hot water for your family's use. So there you have it, folks. That's a quick rundown of the labor cost to install a new water heater. As always, be sure to do your research and get multiple quotes from licensed plumbers in your area before making any decisions.